Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a LoexAir travel pillow. And this one is really different. This pillow is different compared to other traditional pillow. You can very easily avoid the headache and memory from neck. Support pillow with head for airplane flight mode. 100% cotton fabric, maximum privacy and light black design, lightweight full travel kit. I'm purchasing this one dark gray colors. Now we will do unboxing and let's see what's new of this product. Let's check it out. This is the product, LoexAir Headed Pro Travel Pillow. Product price is a 34 euro. I already added the link in video description. I just simply cut the wrapper and let's see inside the box. Inside the box we receive one travel bag, one belt, and here is our product. We receive here travel kit as well, so like a belt, and here apart from that this is the bag. Using this bag you can very easily carry this pillow, LoexAir. And now I just simply open here our main product. Now I just simply open here the pillow. It's really compressed. They are compressed, this one, and airtight packing. And now I just simply open this pillow and look at this here. The compared to traditional flight pillow, this one is something new. And if I wear here like this, so you just simply remove this one. After that I just wear this one like this, fix properly, and second thing, you can cover your face like this. So it's very easy. After that no one can recognize you and no one can disturbing you for your eyes especially, and you're not able to see anything. Apart from that, if you can check your mobile only and enjoy your entire journey, that would be is really impressive compared to as a traditional one. And price perspective is a similar kind of same price traditional pillow covers. So, and the quality is really impressive. It's very soft and very easy movable here and there. It's easy. Apart from that, they are providing in this box ear safety sleeping belt like this. That one is bonus. They are providing in this box this air filter as well, and you can very easily carry this one using this bag. I will show you. Look at this. The size is very small like this. You can reduce the size again and put it here in this bag. Even you can, if you travel in your car and you're sitting in back seat, so still you can use this travel kit. Look at this. It's easy and affordable and conveniable to use any other places. It's easy. Hope you enjoy this video. This is the simple unboxing and use and review video of LoexAir travel pillow. If you have any question related on this product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.